Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to my trade recap for today on how I got broke even and made $2 trading the NASDAQ today. So I'm going to go ahead and just go over the top-down analysis. So I was bullish coming into today. I know a lot of people were bearish, just for the simple fact that coming into market open, we did have a huge SMT at the highs. However, though, I was bullish for the simple fact that we had these relative equal highs above right here on the daily chart. And on top of that, we also were following bullish order flow. We were respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. And so pretty much for today, same as usual, I waited for 10 a.m. because either this 4-hour gap would be respected or it would get violated. And that was going to play a huge part in my directional bias. So if I go ahead and just replay it really quick, dropping down to the 15. Give me one second. Where was it? All right, cool. Right here. So dropping onto the 15-minute chart, we had this discounted 15-minute fair value gap that price ended up coming into, forming an SMT with the S&P 500 under the opening prices. So if we go ahead and look at what the overnight session did, we see Asia expanded, we see London came down, retraced back into that 4-hour fair value gap, and then we got to move away from it. And then coming into, okay, just going to go ahead and reset my shit again. Let me go ahead and just redo that. So coming into market open at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. open lower into this discounted 15-minute fair value gap. I'll go ahead and mark that. Well, it's already marked up right here actually. So this black line is this 15-minute fair value gap, which also had no bottom wick, which is known as a devil's mark. So price came into there. So it came to the 15-minute and the 4-hour gap, putting in this bullish SMT under the opening prices. And as you can see here, we set liquidity right here. 4-hour change in state of delivery to the upside, confirming that bullish order flow out of the 4-hour gap. So then after that, we had this 5-minute gap right here. So pretty much I was waiting on this to get inverted. So once we got that inverted, I'm going to go and just fast forward. So once we inverted that, went on to the 1-minute. Saw we had this 1-minute gap here that was important, that broke structure. So I went ahead and set a limit on that gap. This is where, actually no, that was my original trade right there. So the trade ended up getting entered. So I got entered in at 10:37 when we also made that 5-minute bullish gap. So that was also a balanced price range, just for the simple fact that this bearish gap was overlapping with this 5-minute here that broke structure. So got entered there, made a fucking doji candle to the upside, started running towards TP, and then ended up going break even once we tapped this unmitigated 3-minute gap up there. Go ahead and just draw that out with 2 lines. So once we came into that unmitigated 3-minute gap, went ahead and went break even. And as you can see here, where my execution's at. Fuck. I'm not sure why my executions are not showing, but maybe they're toggled off. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rerun the fib. So yeah, as you can see, got entered, ran profits for a bit, and then from there broke us even, re-swept liquidity, respected this fuck ass order block here, and then that shit quite literally draked a million points to the fucking moon, smashing the full fucking TP. So yeah, that's how I made $2 today trading the Nasdaq. Got fucking broke even, but it is what it is. It's all part of the game. Can't even say we're gonna come back tomorrow because it's fucking Thanksgiving. Don't really feel like trading a fucking bank holiday. But yeah, that's how I made $2 today trading the Nasdaq. So if you guys liked the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Or if you just fuck with your boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hope you guys have a nice day. Love y'all.